Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use automatic layouts in Draw.io for Confluence. This feature is incredibly useful when your diagrams start looking cluttered or disorganized, and you need a quick way to clean them up and make them more visually appealing. First, go to your Confluence website and navigate to your Draw.io diagram. Once you're there, you'll likely notice if your diagram needs some organization. In this example, you can see that I have a diagram, but it's a bit messy because it's not arranged properly. The elements are scattered around and it doesn't have that clean professional look we're aiming for. This is where automatic layouts come in handy. They'll help you reorganize everything with just a few clicks. To access these layout options, look at the top of your screen and click on Arrange. This will open up a menu with several options. From that menu, click on Layout. This is where all the magic happens. Now you'll see a variety of layout options appear before you. These options include horizontal flow, horizontal tree, vertical tree, radial tree, organic, circle, org charts, parallels, and even a custom option if you want to customize the layout according to your specific needs. Each of these layouts serves a different purpose and creates a unique visual structure for your diagram. For this tutorial, let's try clicking on vertical flow. As soon as you select this option, you'll notice an immediate change. My diagram has now become vertical, with all the elements stacking neatly from top to bottom. This layout works particularly well for processes that flow in a sequential manner or workflows that move in one clear direction. But let's not stop there. Let's try again and explore another option. This time, click on circle. Now you can see the transformation. The diagram has become circular, with elements arranged around a central point. This layout is excellent for showing relationships or connections between different components in a more dynamic way. Feel free to explore the other layouts to see what will suit your diagram best. Each option provides a different perspective and can help communicate your ideas more effectively depending on the type of information you're presenting. Some layouts work better for hierarchical structures, while others are ideal for showing networks or processes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use automatic layouts in Draw.io for Confluence to transform messy diagrams into organized, professional-looking visuals. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.